everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and if you're looking for a quick and easy meal to make for dinner, then look no further than this spicy Mexican chicken skillet. This meal can be prepared and cooked in under 30 minutes and it tastes amazing. So hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 boneless skinless chicken breasts cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 1½ cups of half and half or heavy cream, 2 cups of instant white rice, 1 cup of pre-made queso Blanco dip, 1 cup of salsa, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro plus more for garnish, 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies, 1 can of spicy Rotel tomatoes, and 1 cup of shredded Mexican cheese blend. Drizzle the olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Add the diced chicken and then sprinkle with the taco seasoning. Cook the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes until no longer pink. Add the half and half or cream, the instant rice, the queso Blanco dip, and the salsa to the cooked chicken in the skillet. Bring that mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. Turn off the heat and stir in the green chilies, the Rotel, and the chopped cilantro. Sprinkle the shredded Mexican blend cheese over the chicken and rice mixture, then place the pan under the broiler in a preheated oven for 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted. Garnish with more cilantro if desired. I hope you enjoy this recipe for spicy Mexican chicken casserole. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.